Huh? Huh?
Why did you touch the electrical outlets? This outlet short-circuited after the rain. Doctor, doctor, doctor.
Don't worry. Your brother will be fine, okay? Now please pay the hospital bills.
Mom, that boy is holding a slipper.
Huh?
Could you please wash your hands before entering the patient room? Smells terrible. The shoe again.
Be careful when standing near electrical outlets. They are very dangerous and can be life-threatening.